Hello students, welcome back again. This is our English class, isn't it? English class, and we are doing chapter 5, and this is our video number 4. Video number 4. Plum learns to eat. In our previous class, we recapped the chapter. We have done word meanings, then checkpoints, question answers of checkpoints, and I understand, isn't it? Now today we are going to do some more questions. But before that, see, as you are growing day by day, now you are growing children, you are growing day by day. So you need plenty of food to eat. And your food must have all the nutrients that is essential for our body. Okay? And you should have 3 meals, 3 proper meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay? 3 proper meals you should take. And you can also take some snacks, some evening snacks. But each and every meal should be proportional and healthy. Okay? Your plate should have some energy giving foods such as chapati, rice, isn't it? Bread. These all are energy giving food. Sugar, potatoes. We get energy to do work having all this food. So you need energy. Your plate must have some bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding in the sense they will build our muscles and bones. And if your bones and muscles are strong, then only you can grow taller and you can become strong, isn't it? So protein rich foods. For that you should have some protein rich food. You should have fish, meat, egg, milk, all these things. Again, the third part of your plate should be of protective foods. Protective foods in the sense fruits and green vegetables. Fruits and green vegetables are very good to boost up our immunity, to keep us free from many diseases. If we will not take fruits and vegetables, these are called protective foods. They protect our body from many diseases. If we will not take all these things, we can fall sick easily. Okay? So keep in your mind that for growing children need plenty of food, and your food should be rich in all types of nutrients. Okay, you should have some energy giving food, you should have some bodybuilding foods, and you should have some protective foods. Okay, clear? And you should also, the most important thing, that you should drink plenty of water. As a small children, you are the children of age 6 to 8 years, so you should drink water also. Water is very important, very essential for our body, and you should drink 5 to 6 glasses, at least 7 glasses of water. Okay? Clear to all? Have milk every day. Have milk 2 times. 2 times a day you should have the milk. And if you don't like milk, use milk products. Use curd or paneer. Okay? That cottage cheese. You can have all those things. You can have kheer, you can have sevai, anything made by milk. If you don't like plain milk. Okay? Clear to all? Very good. Now students, we have done question answers of I understand, question number A and B. Today we will do questions of think and reflect, I link, and I learn for. Okay? Now here some name some fruits we peel before eating. Why it is important to peel some fruits before eating? Some fruits that we peel before eating are banana, then watermelons, orange, this type of fruit, coconut. We have to remove the outer covering or outer skin of these fruits, isn't it? And why it is important to peel some fruits? It is important to peel some fruits because, see, if we will eat orange with the skin, can we get any good taste? No. So it will not taste good. So it is very important to peel the skin of some fruits. Again, it is not hygienic also. It may be not clean. So it is better to remove the skin. Okay. Then can you think of some fruits that do not need to be peeled before eating? Yes, of course. There are many foods which can be eaten with the skin only. Grapes, apples, cucumber, strawberry. No need of peeling their skin. No need of removing their skin. We can eat like that only. Isn't it? Now, when you do not know something, do you ask others for help? Why it is important to help each other? Very important question. Now, see children, as a human being, first of all, let me answer this one. Yes, of course, I ask others for help when I do not know something. Yes, of course. And it is very good. We should cultivate this habit. If you are not knowing something, you can easily go to your elders, go to your teachers or to your friends. Anyone you can ask for help. It is very good. It is a good habit. We should cultivate these types of habits. Okay. And why it is important to help each other? See, as you are now growing day by day, you should think over it. See, as a human being, we are not a robot and we do not know everything. No one knows everything. We need help of others. See, for mending your shoes, you need the help of cobbler, isn't it? For if you are sick, you need the help of doctor. If your tap or your water pipe is leaking, you need the help of plumber. And sometimes we need the help of our friends also. And we need the help of our parents every time, isn't it? Teachers and parents every time. So, as a human being, we need help of others to complete our work, our day-to-day life. So, it is very important to help others also. If we will not help others, no one is going to help us. Isn't it? So keep in mind, we should help others to get help. Okay? Clear to you all students? Very good. Now see here, one activity is given here. Here, see here, 5-year-old children are very active and need plenty of healthy food to grow. It is very important for them to eat food 3 times a day. Their food should include eggs, milk, bread, rice, meat, fruits, vegetables. Just I told you in this class earlier that as you are growing day by day, you need plenty of healthy food. Isn't it? Plenty of healthy foods. And you should have 3 meals a day. You should have 3 meals a day with some evening snacks. In the evening snacks, you can take some nuts, some fruits, juice, anything. Okay? Now, remember, dal and meat help us grow muscles. They are protein-rich food. I told you, bodybuilding food to make our bones and muscles strong. Rice, bread, chapati gives us energy all through the day. They are energy-giving food. They gives us energy to do all types of activities, several types of work. We are reading, we are writing, we are playing, we are moving, we are walking. For all this, we need energy. And these energy-giving food, having these foods, we can get energy. So, remember one thing that in your breakfast, in your lunch or in your dinner, these energy, there must be some proportion of energy giving food. Okay. Fruits and vegetables help our body to work well and keep us safe from diseases. Again, these are protective food. They keep our body free from several diseases, isn't it? If we will not take fruits and vegetables, so it is very important for the growing children to have lots of green vegetables and fruits. So always your parents, your elders, your teachers, they are always telling you to have green vegetables and fruits, because it will keep you free from diseases. You will not fall sick easily. Clear to all? Now here is the food plan of Samir. He is 5 years old child and he enjoys eating healthy food. He says it helps him to be strong and healthy and grow tall quickly. This plan is for one day. Now all of you should also make your food plan of a day. What you are going to have in your breakfast, what you are going to have in your lunch, in your dinner, in your evening snack, everything. Okay, all of you are having your book. You can go through this. This is the food plan of Samir of one day. In breakfast, he is having these things: 2 slices of bread, cornflakes, glass of milk. Again, in snack, he is having fruit or any fruit or fruit juice, some nuts like cashew and almonds. And in lunch, he is having 2 chapatis or a bowl of rice, a bowl of dal, 1 or 2 pieces of chicken or fish, or any vegetables, and a bowl of curd. See, if you do not like to have milk 1 time a day and have curd 1 time a day. So you can have curd. It is also a milk product. Again, in evening snacks, he is having a glass of milk, a piece of cake or sandwich. And in dinner, he is having a cup or a bowl of soup, 2 chapatis or a cup of rice. Again, dal or chicken, fish, anything, vegetables, and any sweet dish. In dinner, we prefer some sweet dish. So, have any sweet dish, any kheer, sevai, payesh, or ice cream, anything. So, you will also make a chart. Prepare a chart of your one day food plan. What you are having in your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. Everyone will make this, prepare this chart in their copy. Okay? Now here in Islands section, why is eating healthy food important for growing child? Everyone knows that growing child needs all type of nutrients so that his bones and muscles can be strong, he can be protected from several diseases, he can get energy throughout the day. So he should have healthy foods, and healthy foods are having all these nutrients, isn't it? How does eating rice and chapati help us? See, rice and chapati, they are energy giving food. If you will not have rice and chapati, if you will have only fruits, green vegetables, and we will drink any milk, but no rice, no chapati, no energy giving food, no bread, nothing, we will not get energy. We will not get energy. So, to have energy, we should have these types of foods. What would happen if a child does not eat fruits and vegetables? As here it is written, as I told you, that fruits and vegetables are very protective food. So we should have this to get rid from any kind of disease, so that we can't fall sick easily. Clear? What does Samir have for dinner? See here, the dinner chart is there of Samir. You can see here, this is the dinner chart of Samir. Okay? Now, turn the page. Come to this page. Page number 31. Here, one puzzle is there. Help these animals and birds reach their food. See, some animals are here and their foods are here. Okay? These animals are here and the foods are here. Dog, this bone, parrot, then this is cat, rat is here for cat, this is lizard, insect is here, and this fruit is the for parrot. Now this is your homework for today. This is your, write your date, 7/17/7/20, and this is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. You will help these animals to reach to their food. How? Draw with, use pencil to make this animal reach to their food. Draw their path, how they will reach. Okay, student. So this chapter is over today. This chapter is finished. Plum learns to eat. Now go through this chapter very nicely. Write all these question answers in your copy and these answers also. And learn it also. Okay. So this much for today. We will again meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.